In this video, we will learn about where our electricity comes from. Remember from the last video that if we have a wire in a coil like this, and we take a magnet and we move the magnet. So we put the magnet in here, and we move it left, right, left, right, left, right. When the magnet moves, we will get electricity. So again, the big idea is moving magnets generates electricity. So the question then is, how can we use this effect? Again, it's called electromagnetic induction. How can we use electromagnetic induction to generate electricity in real life? Well, here's a magnet. If we can move it, we can generate electricity here to some other circuit. The question is, how do we move that magnet? Well, here's one idea. We get a water source, a source of water. When we turn on the water, here's the water's coming down. What happens when the water comes down? Well, this water will cause the magnet to move. So the magnet's going to rotate. When the magnet rotates, remember, moving magnet generates electricity. So if we have a light bulb here, there's a coil here. So there's going to be electricity running here. So the light bulb will turn on. What did we do? Well, energy from the water, from moving water. Remember, moving water has kinetic energy, causes the magnet to move. And when we have moving magnets, we get electricity over here. That's the idea behind generators. And really, what we have right here is we have hydropower. Hydro just means water. In real life, with hydroelectric power, we might take, say a river with lots of water. So this is just a river. What we do is we cut it off. So we cut this off, and we build a dam, a wall that dams the water. So here's a dam. So now we have some water down here, and we have some water up here. When we have a dam, we let a little bit of water go through. So some water will go through here. And inside here, we add a generator. And inside it, we have a magnet. Or, giant magnets. So that's the magnet. And when the water is moving this way, the magnet starts turning. And this is hooked up to coils, and we get electricity. So again, all it is we're taking water, we're using the water to move the magnets, and we get electricity. So really, when you plug your phone to an outlet at home, like this, what is this connected to? This is connected to the wires outside. Which is connected to some sort of power plant. The power plant almost always has a generator, which is just, we can think of it as just different ways to move giant magnets so we can generate electricity. So where does our electricity come from? It comes from power plants. Power plants use generators which just move magnets to generate electricity. There are many different types of power plants. For example, we already talked about hydroelectric. There's where we have water, and we cut it off, and we use it to turn a generator. The windmill is even more straightforward in terms of understanding how it works. With a windmill, we just have wind moves us. There's a generator inside. It's basically a giant magnet. So with windmills, wind moves magnet, which gives us electricity. Finally, with coal power plants or oil power plants. So let's say with coal, all we do is we heat it up. When it's hot, water turns into a gas, so steam. And then the steam that's moving, so here's some steam, ends up moving, guess what, a magnet, or giant magnets. And when we do that, hook it up to a coil, and we get electricity. But really, the big idea is just that our outlets at home are all connected to some sort of power plant that is usually mostly just moving magnets to generate electricity. That's it.